Most Florida roofs fail early because of this one issue. After years of working our roofs across Central Florida, we've seen one problem more than any other: storm damage that goes unnoticed. Here's why it's such a big deal. Florida gets everything from tropical storms to daily summer downpours. High winds can lift shingles, crack tiles, and weaken flashing. Hail can dent metal or bruise shingles. But the damage isn't always obvious. Many homeowners don't notice until months later when water finally finds its way inside. So what should you look for? Missing or shifted shingles are a clear giveaway. Hail dents or bruised spots on shingles are another. On tile roofs, look for cracks or lifted tiles that might have shifted during a storm. And if you find a pile of granules around your gutters or downspouts, that means your shingles took a beating. Now here's the kicker: insurance. Most Florida insurance policies require you to report storm damage quickly. If you wait too long, your claim could be denied and the repair bill could fall entirely on you. That's why spotting damage early is so important. At Pinnacle Roofing Group, we recommend a professional inspection after every major storm. We know what to look for and we can document the damage properly for insurance. Unnoticed storm damage is Central Florida's #1 roof problem, but it doesn't have to be yours. Call Pinnacle Roofing Group today for a free storm inspection and let us help protect your home before the next storm hits.